Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Technophone mute setting. Friends, you want to mute guys your Technophone, so how can you mute? Today friends I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we mute Technophone. Friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting. So how can we mute guys our Tecno mobile. Friends, you can see guys phone sound and vibration guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your phone sound and vibration. Friends, you can not see guys any mute and silent setting. So friends, you can see guys your shortcut, this ringing guys. So guys tap here. Friends, you can see phone mute setting guys. How can we mute our Tecno mobile? First of all guys, you will have to on guys the prevent ringing guys, tap here, and friends click on your mute setting. So guys your phone will mute on mute. So like that guys we can guys mute our Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye friends.